Hello team, just today we want to configure Inter VLAN. We have created different VLANs for the previous video, and in this tutorial video I'll show you how to connect these VLANs. So what we're gonna do is just I wanna come to switch, enable, configure terminal, create a name, whatever you want. I wanna say switch. This for AKL location office. And I want to go to line console to give a password for it as well. You can set any password you want. Then interface, or I want to create VLANs first. VLAN 10. Say that I want to name VLAN 10 as PC. This is for HR, for AKL office, AKL, exit, then VLAN 20, name it PC Finance for AKL as well. Exit. And for the next one, I'll show you how we can make it while we're configuring or making these ports as part of the VLANs. Now I want to say that I want to say interface range fast 0-2 and fast 0-4, which is this port and this port for this VLAN 20. For that VLAN 20, for the VLAN 20, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 20, exit, then interface range. This time interface range fast 0-1 and fast 0-5. 0-5 switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 30. VLAN 30 is not created, but they are creating for me. Interface range fast, this port this time fast 0-3 and fast 0-6. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. Exit. Now I should come to this router. Now enable configure terminal hostname for this is R-1. This for AZ Tech. Line console 0. Password for this is this one. Login. Exit. And I should say I want to just give a default for the ports that we assigned before. For VLAN 20, I'm going to go to port gig 0-0 IP address of that is from the VLAN number. I want to say 192.168.20.1 255.255.255.0. No shutdown and exit. The port is up. Exit. Then interface gig 0-1. This is for VLAN 30. I want to say that IP address of this one is 192.168.30.1. 30.1, 255, 255, 255, 255. Now shut down and exit then interface gig 0-2. This for VLAN 10. That's here. IP address it is 192.168.10.1, 255, 255, 255, 0. Now shut down and exit. And let's say that show IP interface brief. You can say that this port has got, this port has got 0-0, 0-2. 0-2 has got 10. We didn't say for this one 30. So I'll now go to configure terminal interface gigs 0-1. IP address for this is 192.168.30.1, 525.525.0. No shutdown. Exit. Yes, all the ports up now. And show IP interface brief. Yes, this time. This port. Yeah, good. Now let's give an IP for this VLAN 10. I want to say that 192.168.10, 10.5. Gateway for this one is 192.168.10.1. Come for this PC now. 192.168.30.5. Gateway is 192.168.30.1. And for this PC now, 192.168.20.1, 20.5. Gateway is 192.168.20.1. Let's see this pieces from different VLANs can ping or not. Edge hit ping 192.168.20.1. This was the gateway, and also ping 192.168.20.5. That's for this PC. It takes a little bit time. Yes, it's pinging. That's all. Now these VLANs can connect. And when I connect this PC to this PC of VLAN 20, so the traffic comes from this port and it just goes through this way, then it go back to VLAN 20 from this port up to here, then there. And thank you so much. It was just connecting different VLANs. See you for the next video.